1970 Toyota Land Cruiser. Now this is definitely 100% here equivalent to restoration for a Toyota Land Cruiser. Come to the one here featuring a tan exterior. It does have the 4x4 wheels on it. You also have the spare in the back in case one of these decides to blow out. But other than that, let's focus more on the interior. As you can see, we have this big fat steering wheel, which I can basically just turn with my fingers. That's how nice this car really is. Other than that, you have your basic speedometer and small gauges there. Everything seems to be working as usual. As you can see, for the non-experienced manual drivers, they have an instruction guide on the glove box showing you how to drive E3 on the tree, which was the nickname for these manuals. Other than that, you have an aftermarket Pioneer sound system. As you can see, we do have a vintage air kit, which we'll move to in just a minute. Other than that, we have a nice, I'd like to say, brown-orange mixture of interior. As you can see, we got a full bench seat on the front. You do have the emergency annoying brats in the back type seats. Other than that, you can put your arm over your passenger, which I don't want to now because it's a dude. Other than that, let's move on to the underneath. An upgraded 6-cylinder inline. Drives very good. Has more horsepower than the original inline 6 that comes with these kind of cars. Other than that, it does have a dual exhaust system, which makes it sound 10 times better. But more importantly, one thing I forgot to mention was there is a trailer ball and hitch on the back. So if you ever feel like towing a small canai or boat, this would definitely be a fun little vehicle to do it in. But as for now, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.